Hi, greetings from Precare. Today I'm going to show you how to investigate doubly reinforced beam using CALQ RCBM. Okay, so we have here a reference manual for CALQ RCBM and we have the Android app for CALQ RCBM. So if we open this reference manual and look for table of contents, let's go to doubly reinforced beam and zoom in. Zoom muna natin. Yan, so dito tayo sa investigate case 1 and case 2 no, for doubly reinforced beam. So, click ko lang to and solve natin yung problem na to. Okay? So, ito. So, sa case 1 is pag yung tension and compression bars nag-yield. No? So, that is case 1. Yung case 2 is pag yung tension nag-yield, yung compression hindi. So anyway, we have this problem. Rectangular concrete beam having a width of 410 mm and effective depth of 586 mm is reinforced with 628 mm diameter tension bars and tatlong 20 mm diameter na compression bars, which is located at D prime, which is 60 mm from the topmost fiber of the concrete beam. So assume that FC prime is 20.7 megapascal and yung FY is 345 megapascal. Use 2015 na NECP code and is analyze the beam as doubly reinforced beam. Okay, so yun yung sabi ng NECP. So, I mean sa problem, no? So like, kung ano yung current state dito, so yun na lang din yung analyze natin, no? So let's assume na hindi lang to stirrup holder yung dito sa taas, no? So, let's analyze the beam, no, the given beam as doubly reinforced beam. Ngayon, yung tanong is, ano daw yung capacity over the demand ratio if yung maximum applied moment is 500 kilonewton meter and ano naman yung capacity over demand ratio pag yung maximum applied moment is 600 kilonewton meter. So, makikita natin dito na given yung dimension, given yung demand which is 500 and 600 kilonewton meter, yung maximum applied moment, and also yung mga material properties. No? So yung tinatanong sa atin is ano yung capacity over demand ratio. So meaning we are doing the investigation process dito. So to solve this problem, nga pala before that, makikita natin dito sa reference manual, included na din yung conventional na solution. No? Makikita mo yan, conventional na solution. So nakapackage niya yan as also for verification na lang din. No? So, yan, step by step. And also included in the reference manual yung computation then using the CALQ RCBM. Okay, so to solve this problem, let's open this CALQ RCBM. So open lang natin and then click on login. So andito na tayo sa workspace ng CALQ RCBM. So we know this is an investigation because yung tinatanong is yung capacity, no? Capacity over demand ratio. So let's click on getting started. Uh, click on investigation process and then sabi niya analyze as doubly reinforced beam. Though we have also a checker here, no? This one. This button will enable user to check if yung given, no, na beam dimension, beam section is singly reinforced or doubly reinforced. No? But however, in this case, let's analyze the problem using doubly reinforced beam. So I'll make another video for this one. No? And anyway, this function is also available in our reference manual. So to start with, let's click on this one. Though I have attached a example, no, where the user can load and test out directly the application. But I'm going to start from scratch. No? So, yung B natin dito is, so yung B natin dito is given, we have 410. And then yung effective depth is also given, we have 586. And we have also the D prime, which is also given, we have 60. And actually by default hindi kasali yung cover na, but for the sake of presentation, ilagay na lang natin yung 40. Okay, no? Just to make sure that no void filled, no? Dito sa inputs. Okay, so let's save. Click on material. Yung FC prime is given, no? So if you click on this folder icon, it says input the value of FC prime. Okay, so FC prime given, we have 20.7, and then we have FY, which is also given for 345. So actually yung unit weight ng concrete hindi kasali sa by default, no, in the competition, but I'll just put the value. And let's calculate this data. Click this calculator icon, calculate, and so we have 0.85, then save values. Then let's go here in reverse. So yung number of tension bars is given, we have 6 pieces. Diameter ng tension bar is given, we have 28. So we can now calculate for the area. Click on this one, click calculate, and then we have the number of compression bars, which is 3 bars, no? So 3 lang. And then we have the diameter. Yung rebars we have 20, so type natin dito 20. And then we can also calculate the area of compression bars. Click calculate. So actually pwede mong i-ano to, no? I-reduce pa if gusto mo, no? So i-click mo lang yan and then i-delete mo, no? Sample ganyan. Sabihin natin 513. No? So pwede yan. Anyway, I'll just stick with the whole decimal. And yan na. So save values, and then let's put demand here. So the demand is given, we have 500. So unahin ko muna yung 500. So click on this one and then type 500. Save. Okay, so since okay na tayo dyan, we can now run the analysis. Run analysis. Let's wait for the CALQ RCBM to perform the calculation. And yan na, no? So we have this analysis calculation. So case 1, assuming both steel yields. Let's verify our assumption, remarks. So tama yung assumption, that's why we proceed on the calculation. And then we have this nominal moment capacity. So we have now the capacity over demand ratio, which is 1.197, and that is greater than 1. So which means that is safe now because the capacity is greater than demand. So if we check here in our conventional solution, I have here the step by step. And if you check here for A, no? A kasi yan, no? 500. So we have 1.197. That is the same. Ngayon, if we change the maximum applied moment to 600, so ano yung mangyayari sa capacity over demand ratio? So, let's click here, change this one to 600, and then save. And then again, let's run the analysis, and let's wait for CALQ RCBM to do the calculation. So we are expecting a result na 0.997. So I'll go directly at the bottom. So makikita mo naman yung step by step dito. So you have 0.997. That is less than 1, so which means that it is inadequate. No? So mas malaki yung demand kaysa sa capacity ng section. So it is not safe and we need to redesign. So that is how we perform the doubly reinforced beam under investigation. So anyway, dito sa reference manual, if meron na akong computation using the CALQ RCBM. Okay, that is also documented here. So dito naman sa case 2, and so we can also solve this one. Bali dito, tension still yield while compression still does not yield. So makikita natin dito, again, I calculate this one in conventional way and also calculate this one using the CALQ RCBM. Okay, so I think that's it. So thank you for listening and God bless everyone. Keep safe.